This is Boss Lobby. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the DVD drive band on a DVD drive for Xbox 360 that will not open. There's 2 screws that you need to remove right here, and 2 screws that you need to remove right here. I've already removed these screws to speed up the process of the video. Now you're just going to pull up on these corners, and the top of the drive should pop right off like that. And that port should just come up right there. And you should have your drive open like this. And you're going to want to flip it around. See this bar? Take a flathead screwdriver, slide it. This is a Samsung drive, so yours may look a little bit different. And then you're going to open it so the tray's open about halfway. And you're going to see this. A little bit band. You're going to take a flathead screwdriver and you're just going to take it off. Mine kind of shot. So hold on. Alright, then you should have a drive that seems to be loose. And what you're going to do is you're going to take one of these little bands. You can get them off eBay. They're Xbox 360 replacement DVD drive bands. They're a lot smaller than the original, because the original gets stretched and bent, and you're going to take it and you're going to wrap it around the 2 gears that we just took that band off of. There we go. Like that. So you'll feel it be tighter. Then you close the drive. Put the top on. Put the bottom on. Put your 4 screws back in. Just like that. It should come back together so those ports line up. And there you go. You replace your DVD drive. Band and it should open fine now.